are the top stories at this hour from the Sentinel. Total lockdown in 11 locations of Guwahati. Fancy Bazaar, Pandu, Malegaon, Machkhwa, Dhirenpara, Kumarpara, Kamakhya are among the 11 areas where total lockdown has been imposed. Lockdown will be operational from 9 p.m. tonight for 14 days. Decision has been taken after hundreds of cases were found to be positive from these areas. Movement of individuals shall remain strictly prohibited. All government and private offices will remain closed. All industrial establishments to remain shut. Public transport will remain suspended. Consumption and sale of liquor, pan, gutka, tobacco in public places have been prohibited. Grocery shops to be open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Banks, insurance services and ATMs to remain open. Manipur waives off school fees for April to July. Manipur Education Department has directed all private and aided schools in the state not to collect fees for the months of April to July. Schools have been directed not to hike admission fees for the academic session 2020-21. If fees already collected for these months, the same has to be adjusted, the government said. Tripura government says COVID recovery rate better than national average. Tripura government has claimed that the COVID-19 recovery rate in the state has reached 64%, much higher than the national average. Minister Ratan Lal Nath claimed that Tripura stands at 8th place in the country regarding the recovery rate. The COVID-19 recovery rate in the state has increased from 22.83% on June 9th to 63.84% on Monday. The state has 1,241 positive cases. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma does swab test. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma did swab testing after returning from Manipur. He had travelled to Manipur due to the ongoing political turmoil in the state. Sangma is the national president of NPP. 4 NPP MLAs had resigned from the Biren Singh-led BJP government in Manipur. Sangma had travelled to Manipur to iron out differences amongst the politicians. And finally, here's an update on the number of COVID cases across northeastern states. These are numbers as of 7 p.m. on Tuesday evening. The number of positive cases in Assam has gone up to 5,853. Tripura has 1,241 cases. In Manipur, the number has gone up to 898. Mizoram has 142 cases. Arunachal Pradesh has 148 cases. The number of positive cases in Nagaland stands at 330. Sikkim has 78 cases. Meghalaya now has 8 active cases. And with that, it's a wrap of this edition. Thank you.